客家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. Hey, Alice 啊，我有个地方好久没去了，不知道你有没有？我就是好久没去图书馆了。
我没
你也是不是 ？Because you can actually find a lot of things online and even read books online now, right? 图书馆怎么说？
图书馆。
图书馆 ，OK， 其实国立图书馆藏书丰富哈。At the National Library, there's a lot of collections.
国立图书馆。
國立圖書館
嘅藏書千豐富。
嘅藏書千豐富。哦，就是很丰富，丰富 that means very abundant, all right? 然后呢，到了图书馆，当然要记得一件事情，还是要安静。对，手机最好要关静音哈。在图书馆要保持安静哦。When you're at the library, you need to be quiet.
啲圖書館。
啲圖書館
愛保持。
愛保持。
點清哦。
點清哦。點清 that means quiet, all right? These are useful phrases, so let's review them, including abundant or 豐富。
豐富。
豐富 and then to be quiet, 安靜。
點清。
點清 and finally, we're at the library, 圖書館。
圖書館。
圖書館 and there you have it. If you have time, go visit. And that does it for today's Daily Hakka.
是母大家。
子谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.